प्रिवियस रिमांड आसलो तो 230 आर्ग्यू जाल्लो. सो वी वर अंडर द इम्प्रेशन की 230 ताका रिमांडाक सेकंड सेशनाक प्रोड्यूस करतले. बट टू आटर डिसमे, I don't know for what reasons, the accused were produced at 12:30 and we could not represent our client. So in the afternoon now bail order was fixed. The bail applications filed by them were fixed for orders in the afternoon. In the afternoon, now just now court has dismissed the bail applications filed by all three accused. In spite of giving 7 days of police custody, the police have failed to recover any weapon from them. Similarly, no details of co-accused are also ascertained from these accused who were already 7 days in police custody. Thirdly, very important point, in spite of having so much, the accused who have filed anticipatory bail now are the ones whose names are mentioned by the victim in a supplementary statement. So it is very unfortunate that in spite of the Honorable Magistrate granting enough 7 days of police custody, the police have failed to recover weapons. At least till they were produced for remand, there was no recovery of weapon. And I don't know what is the last remand. I have heard that the police had sought 5 days police remand, but the court rejected it and the Honorable Magistrate granted justice.